Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Renpho scale to your phone. First, you'll need to download the Renpho Health application. You can find it in your phone's app store, whether you use an Apple or Android device. Once downloaded, open the app and either create a new user account or simply log in if you already have one. This initial step is crucial for setting up your personal health profile. Next, make sure your phone's Bluetooth is enabled. This allows your phone to discover and communicate with the scale. With Bluetooth active, open the Renpho Health app again. Within the application, look for the Device or My Device section. This area is where you will initiate the connection process between your smart scale and your mobile device, preparing for your first measurement. Now it's time to take your first measurement. Place your Renpho scale on a hard, flat surface, avoiding carpets. With the Renpho Health app open on your phone, step onto the scale barefoot. Stand still for about 10 to 15 seconds. The scale will automatically turn on and begin to measure your body composition, sending the data directly to your phone through Bluetooth. After your measurement, all your health data, including weight, body fat, and muscle mass, will appear in the Renpho Health app. You can track your progress over time with detailed graphs. If you encounter any connection issues, first ensure Bluetooth is on and the app has necessary permissions. Sometimes, simply restarting the app or repairing the device can resolve minor glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.